Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the OM System OM-1 Mark II. So it's nearly been 2 years since the release of what I'm now going to call the Mark I version, so let's see what's changed. One of the most noticeable changes on the outside has got to be this. Now, I know that's just a brand name, but it's actually kind of a big deal because this is their first flagship camera that bears the full OM System branding, and I just think that's a really nice thing to mention. Okay, what else? We have a quad pixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor, which is 20 megapixels, and the TruePic X processor. This is the same sensor that's found in the previous model, so the OM-1 Mark II offers cross quad pixel AF, which gives you face detection AF in all 4 directions, which is also super fast with 100% coverage. The handheld high-res shot allows you to capture incredible detail in your photos with complete ease, either shooting 50 megapixels for handheld or 80 megapixels when using a tripod. We've got focus stacking for high resolution, and now there's also up to 8.5 stops of image stabilization, which is just insane. Pro Capture has been given an upgrade to allow continuous AF/AE up to 50 frames per second, and we've got single shot focus for 120 frames per second. Improved blackout-free sequential shooting, as well as an improved RAW buffer for 213 shots at 120 frames per second. There have been some significant improvements made to the continuous AF's accuracy, along with the AI subject detection, where they've added human detection. So the OM-1 Mark II will be able to pick up on any human within your frame, whether they are facing the camera looking at you or not. And they've also added subject selection, which is something that I'm very excited to try. The enhanced AI subject detection now allows you to selectively focus on an individual subject, which is going to be especially useful if you've ever had an issue with your focus jumping around when something new enters the frame. So I'm just going to sit here, play the waiting game for another bird to arrive and see if we can have a play around with it. For the eagle-eyed who might be wondering what lens I'm shooting with, well, this is the OM System 150-600mm F5.0-6.3 IS lens. And let me tell you, it has been so much fun to shoot with today. A super telephoto lens that allows handheld 1200mm shooting, 35mm equivalent, and also up to 0.7 times image magnification for tele-macro photography. Like I said before, this is a beautiful lens. The OM-1 Mark II is not just aimed at those who want to shoot stills, because we've got some awesome video features too. You can shoot 4K 60 and Full HD up to 240p for slow motion. And you've got internal 10-bit recording along with OM Log 400 and HLG profiles to give you greater freedom when it comes to grading. There's also a new vertical video mode, which is perfect for content creators who want an easier workflow for social media. Now, I know this probably isn't the most ideal lens for landscape photography, but seeing as I'm here, I do really want to test out the Live Grad ND and the Live ND filters. I love those features on the OM system cameras, so I'm really excited just to see how good the live grad ND is. Now I suppose if I had a wide-angled lens, I probably would have come to a slightly more dramatic landscape, but we're just going to make do with what we've got. We've got some really nice light. I can see the needles, so it might just be a lot of photos of the Isle of Wight, but yeah, I'm hoping for some milky sea, but let's give it a go. There have been some improvements made to the outside of the camera too, other than just the branding. We've now got rubberized dials, so operating your camera with gloves on or cold fingers becomes a lot easier. And you can customize the buttons on the back so you can have full right-handed control while you're supporting your big lens with your left hand. To be honest, I already knew that I was going to enjoy using this camera before I'd even gotten hands-on, and that is purely just because any time I've spent with the previous version, I have absolutely loved. The OM-1 Mark II is a beautiful camera, and if you're somebody who loves embracing the elements and you want your outdoor photography to show that, and you need something that's going to be adventure ready, then this is the perfect choice for you. It's IP53 rated, so it's splash proof, dust proof, freeze proof. It is pretty much ready for anything you want to throw at it, and it's got their supersonic wave filter sensor thingy, which just means your sensor will shake every time you turn it on and off to knock off any dust and dirt that's on there too. So even if you are out and about, you should still have a clean sensor. And of course, let's not forget that it is classic mirrorless. Even with this huge lens on here, it is a small and compact setup compared to what you might get with other cameras. And if you're somebody who wants to pack it into your day bag for an entire day out shooting, or you want to travel, these are the best choice. If you'd like to find out any more information on the OM system, OM-1 Mark II, or the 150-600mm lens, then head on over to Jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.